Hello dear friends! Today we will trade with you on the Williams Trend Synergy strategy. This trading strategy is very easy to use. We have traded on it before in my previous videos. You can learn more about this strategy from my Telegram channel, link in the description. I have been using this trading strategy when trading binary options for more than a year, and it shows a very good win rate. But I showed you the development of this strategy on regular pairs. Today I want to show this strategy works on weekends, on Sunday on OTC pairs. So to trade on this strategy, you first need to add the Williams percent range indicator, located right here. After you had added it, you need to configure it. I've already done it. If you need settings, they will be in the description of the video. Next, you need to set the deal time 40 minutes. You set the deal amount from 1 to 10% of your deposit. I don't recommend putting up more than 10% because it's too risky. And for a few unsuccessful trades, you risk losing your entire deposit. Also today, I will work on the martingale system, so after each unsuccessful deal, I will double the amount of the next deal in order to overlap a minus deal as well as earn. Also, I want to disperse my deposit and I'm confident in this trading strategy. That's why after each successful deal, I will increase the amount of the next deal by $50. So let's start before this trading session. I'll show you what the essence of trading on this strategy is. When the Williams percent range is in the oversold zone, we wait for the indicator line to cross the minus 50 line from the bottom up. The oversold line is at minus 80, and when we see this movement and intersection, we make a call option for 40 minutes. Also, when the indicator line is in the overbought zone, that is above the minus 20 level, we are waiting for the indicator line to cross the minus 50 level, but not from the bottom up, but from the top to bottom. And at the moment, we make a put option for 40 minutes. As you can see in this example, we are in the oversold zone. We cross the 50 level, opened a deal, got a profit. Here we are in the overbought zone, crossed the 50 level, opened a deal, got a profit. Again in the oversold zone, crossed the 50 level, opened a deal and also got a profit, and so on. Well, I showed you the essence of trading. I added all OTC pairs to my chart. I will open deal on pairs with a payout of more than 70% to comply with risk management. If you open deals with a payment of less than 70%, then your risk will be higher than your profit, which is not profitable for us because I want to disperse my deposit today. Well, and my deposit at the beginning of the trading session is $5,449.10. Let's see what the result will be at the end. I'm starting a trading session, looking for a suitable opportunity to enter a position. Let's go. So here I made my first call option because the Williams percent range indicator line was in the oversold zone below the minus 80 level, after which the indicator line crossed the minus 50 level from the bottom up. It was a buy signal, so I opened this deal here. We are waiting for its completion. Great! Our first deal is profitable. I will increase the amount of the next deal to $150. Let's go further. So, In this example, I made a call option. We see that the line of the Williams percent range indicator was below the -80 level in the oversold zone, after which it crossed the -50 level from the bottom up. This is a buy signal, so I opened this position. Here we are waiting for its completion. Unfortunately, our second deal became minus. Well, according to the martingale system, I will increase the amount of the third deal and put it up to $300. This is twice as much as our second deal. We do this in order to overlap this deal, as well as to earn more. Let's continue. In this example, I saw a great opportunity to make a put option. We see that on the indicator line, the Williams percent range was in the overbought zone, above the -20 level, after which it crossed the -50 level from top to bottom. This is a sell signal, so I opened this position here. Now we are waiting for its completion. At sum, our third deal is profitable. Let's calculate how much I have to put up on the fourth deal. The first one we had was $100, the second $150, and the third was supposed to be $200, and the fourth $250. Therefore, I will set the amount of the fourth deal at $250. Well, let's go on. In this case, I see an excellent opportunity to make a call option. We see that the Williams percent range indicator was in the oversold zone, after which the indicator line crossed the -50 level from bottom to top. This is a buy signal, so I have made a call option here and now. I'm waiting for its completion. Excellent! Our fourth deal is also profitable. The amount of the fifth deal I will put up $300. Let's continue. In this example, I see a great opportunity to make a call option. We see that the price was in the oversold zone, that is on the Williams percent range indicator. The indicator line was below the -80 level. Then the indicator line crossed the -50 level from bottom to top. This is a buy signal, so I opened this position here. Let's wait for its completion. Wonderful! Our fifth deal is also profitable. With this perhaps today's trading session, I will finish and summarize the results. Today, the first deal was profitable, the second wasn't one, but according to the martingale system, but doubling the deal amount. With the help of the third deal, we overlapped our second minus deal and also earned $126 on top. The fourth and fifth deals were also profitable. The win rate for today's trading session is 80%. This is a very good result when trading this strategy on OTC pairs. I wanted to show you this strategy today so that you can make sure that with its help you can confidently without much risk trade on weekends or after the market close when only OTC pairs are available. This trading strategy has a very good win rate at a distance. I can say this with confidence because I have been trading on it for more than a year. If you set the same indicator settings and stick to this trading strategy, then your profit will be much greater than your losses. The most important thing is not to give into emotions and trade with a sober head. Well, thank you all for watching. You can support me with likes and comments. See you soon. Bye bye!